Do you need a reliable and powerful impact driver for all your DIY, construction or garden fixing tasks? Look no further than the Evolution Power Tools R180IDR-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless impact driver. When a combi driver doesn't have the torque to get the job done, then you need a powerful, easy-to-use, reliable and versatile impact driver. This tool delivers the power to drive in and loosen threaded fixings into the widest range of materials. With its powerful 180 Nm motor and all-metal drivetrain, it's built to last even on the toughest repairs. This tool is comfortable to use for both left and right-handed users and features a triple LED that provides 360-degree illumination for clear visibility in any environment. The variable speed trigger allows for drilling torque adjustments from 0 to 2800 RPM. The 1/4-inch hex quick release chuck provides the ability to change instantly from drilling to fastening. The drivetrain is optimized for maximum battery life and runtime per charge. This tool has been tested from a single charge on an Evolution 2-amp battery to drive over 800 M4x30mm wood screws, and will drive an M12 by 140mm coach screw into a garden sleeper in just 11 seconds, faster than many other brands that were tested. There's a handy belt clip situated here, making it ideal for easy storage and to carry around the workstation, ready to use on the next job. So there we have it, the Evolution R180IDR-Li, an 18-volt lithium-ion cordless impact driver with 1/2-inch hex quick release chuck. Thank you for watching. This is DK signing off, and I'll see you again next time.